Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. How are you kids? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel TA Educational Hub. In today's video, you will learn about some classroom commands. Welcome to school. Welcome to school. It's said by teachers. Sit down. Sit down on your chair and listen to your teacher. It's a common command used by teacher in the classroom. Sit down. बैठ जाओ. Stand straight. Stand straight and arms on your side. It means to stand up. Raise your hand. Raise your hand and ask any question. A teacher commonly uses this phrase when she wants you to ask a question. Line up. Line up before going inside the classroom. Be quiet. Be quiet while the teacher is talking. Write. Write your name on the paper. Read. Read your book. See you next time. I hope you have learned some commonly used commands. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.